Oh no, mom's home. I've never felt so judged for my purchases.
Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a Christmas themed video, which I'm super excited about because the last Christmas video I posted was my wish list video, and today I'm going to be decorating my room with Christmas decorations. So we're going to Target and we're going to the mall, and I'm just gonna try to look for some cute trees, things to put around in my room, because I really need to be making a bigger effort in my room. It's honestly pretty messy. So Chen and I are gonna drive to Target. She's gonna return some stuff. I'm gonna get like my leggings fixed or something. So
and my sports bra because it's looking like
yeah, it like broke.
it broke in the dryer.
Bye, Dad. So I'm just gonna bring my laptop case and stuff because I'm gonna go like get something fixed. I just wanna feel like I'm doing work. Chen literally left me and I don't know where she is. We don't know how busy they are today, so I might have to set up an appointment, which will be annoying, but like it's fine. But I feel like I need to actually bring this in because if I don't, I'm gonna procrastinate it and never get it fixed. I really wanna get a new wristband because my white wristband is actually green. When I was younger, people thought it would be cute if I would vlog in public, and now I just look so weird. Lululemon. We're currently in the Lululemon dressing room, and to get these hemmed, I'm just gonna have to try them on, and then they're gonna like measure them on me. If you see, those are kind of long. I used to just go like this to make them the right length, but I want it to actually like look nice. Woof. It's been so long since I've been in Target because our mom does not let us go to Target. You never do makeup. I don't know what you're doing here.
It feels so nice.
Curology done is good.
In the process of Curology.
My link is in the bio to get a free trial of Curology. It's really good. There's some cute little home stuff, but like when it comes to bedroom stuff, like I don't know. Cute little tree. I low-key really like this, but I just can't imagine it being in my room.
I have a lot of snow globes.
Yeah, I don't really want a snow globe in my room because I don't want to go through the effort of going like this.
For near your mirror.
To sit there?
And it's a storage thing.
Oh, you can open that?
Yeah, and put stuff in it.
We're not going to be using this. I really want to look at pillows because I have like no throw pillows. None of these are actually that cute though. Target needs to step up their game. This is a really cool type of light and it'll match with your light. I kind of want it too. We have come to a conclusion that Target's decorations are weak, so we are going to go to Home Goods. I guess at first we just weren't aware that there was a specific area for Christmas decorations, but we found it. I just picked these cards up and I'm gonna get a bag for my Secret Santa. I think I'm gonna go with the one that says "With Love, Santa." I feel like it'd be really cute if I just had one of these like in my room, like lit up. Chen Long begs me to buy her water and spills it on me and my camera. This is the fuzziest thing ever and it has like the cutest sauce on it. Like, wait, this is actually so cute. I'm spending so much money, like I'm spending $60 on pillows. So please watch the ads. Like I actually feel so guilty right now. Okay guys, I've just arrived home and we have got so much stuff and I'm so tired. We definitely spent more than I wanted to, but I'm gonna change into my Christmas clothes and we're gonna go decorate.
You know when you graduate, you go like this. But then when you graduate, you go like, so like after we finish decorating, you can go like, well yeah, I finished my room.
Okay guys.
I accidentally contacted a porn company.
You're like the worst manager ever. Hey guys, so it's time for a little story time. So recently I've been taking my sister under my wing as kind of an apprentice like manager, like teaching her brand deal things, and she'll help me with things like once she learns how to do them. And she tried to reach out to Sunbabe Hair, which is like a hair company that makes your hair lighter, but she accidentally reached out to Sunbabe like swimwear, and they have like really scandalous swimwear. So that was what we were talking about. We just never got back to that company because we're not interested in doing a scandalous swimwear haul. Let's get decorating. Oh no, mom's home.
Oh no, 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 no.
你们俩干嘛去了
We're filming a YouTube video.
Did you go shopping?
She bought a $35 tree topper. This is supposed to be for a real Christmas tree.
Annie, 我觉得你不要乱花钱了。I know.
No, no, no. She's making it for a YouTube video. never felt
so judged for my purchases until today. I'm gonna put these LED micro lights around my Christmas tree, and I'm so excited about this tree. Hey guys, so it's a few days later and I put all my Christmas decorations up, but I just need to do some extra touches on cleaning up my room. So right now I'm gonna go clean up my room, and then I'm gonna give you guys a final tour of what my room looks like with my new Christmas decorations. Now that I've finished decluttering, it's time to give you guys a final tour of what my room looks like. So when you first walk into my room, behind my door, I have these 4 hooks. I just have my robes, vests, jackets, and lots of towels here, as you guys can see. And then here I just have this bigger mirror. I use this mirror when I curl my eyelashes in the morning, and I just have this Lululemon bag right over here that I bring to dance. My closet is very embarrassing. There are a lot of things I don't really know what to do with that I put in my closet that I'm planning to do something about later. Like, these are all the clothes that I want to like sell, but just haven't yet. These are clothes that I wear for like more special occasions, I guess, or dresses. And that's a pillow that I replaced. These are my bathing suits. I have so many bathing suits, guys. Like, thank you so much to Cupshe. Like, they always give me the cutest bathing suits. And down here are all my sports clothing for like soccer and basketball, all that stuff. And then I have my yoga mat for when I work out, which is only when I'm filming workout videos. So that was my closet. Right over here, I have this bookshelf. On my bookshelf, I have this Deer Run Honor Award, which I got for being a good camper at my camp. I was so happy when I got that. I've been working towards it for like years. And this is a lot of like basketball and soccer stuff. And I also have this Christmas decoration that says Christmas Begins with Christ that my mom gave me. And here I just have some like books. Some of them are books about Jesus, and some of them are like just, you know, independent reading books. And then I have this Kendra Scott box of a Kendra Scott I recently bought. This is like my daily makeup stuff. I don't really do makeup. I just curl my eyelashes and then just fluff out my eyebrows. I sometimes put on lip gloss. And here I just have like pocket backs and things. And I have my argan oil. I use this every single night for my eyebrows, and it really helps me grow them. And a lot of y'all will be like, why would you want to grow your eyebrows? Well, I'm an Asian, I have thin eyebrows, so. And then I have this little tree. It's really cute. My mom got it for me. And I just have all these books. Like, I don't even read these, but like I don't want to get rid of them. And then I have my camera charger, this little teacup that I used to use for jewelry, a candle, and perfumes and deodorant. It's kind of random, all over the place. And then here's just some like beauty stuff, just some products, some headbands for when I have sports. These 2 boxes right over here actually store all the journals from elementary school, middle school. Currently still in middle school, but it's honestly really cool to see the drama back then. And then here I just have some craft supplies, and then that's like a heater or something. Here's my laundry basket. I cleaned it, looks nice. I have my backpack that I bring for school, and my bed is honestly where I made the most changes. I put this Christmas fuzzy blanket right over here, and then these are the 4 pillows that I bought. I bought 1 king size one. This one's super comfortable. 2 throw pillows. I love this one, but on the back it's like kind of ugly, but I really like the front, and I just think that these go well together. I feel like something's missing, but I like it in general. And over here on my desk, this is my favorite thing ever. It's honestly a waste of money to get an angel that's $35 just for my room, but I thought it was so cute, and I put it on this like tiny tree. This tree was only like $8 from Target, and super easy to use. And these are like LED lights, so I can like change the colors. Here I just have some faith books, like, you know, journals. I have my like devotional books, and this is my The Daily Question book. I'm so bad at keeping up with it. I have my SD cards for filming, and this so I can import my footage, because MacBooks are just so annoying sometimes, and you need to buy extra stuff for them. This is my computer and my phone, my most used items probably. And here I just have some supplies for homework, and then here I have my laptop case, just some banking stuff. And over here I have a mirror that I use sometimes to pluck my eyebrows. I have my bigger camera, and I have these AirPods, which I'm going to be giving away at the end of the video, so just stay tuned. And I have this little lamp for when I do homework. And I just have my trash and recycling bin, and then this mirror right over here that I sometimes use, but I always forget that I have this mirror. And then I have this little decoration that says Our Faith Can Move Mountains. I've actually had this for years, but I've never actually put it up, so it's nice to finally have it up there. So that was my room tour. It's still in process. It's not super cute, but if you saw my room just a few years ago, like look at my older videos of my room, it's really improved. So now let's move on to the giveaway. I'm so excited to be giving away something to you guys. guys because I'm not the best at giveaways, but I'm gonna be trying to do them more often, and I just want to give back to you guys because you really do so much, and I really appreciate you guys watching my content. I'm going to be giving away the AirPods with the wireless charging case, and I know a lot of y'all are gonna be like, I already have AirPods, like what are you talking about? But I actually think that AirPods are such a good gift. I listen to music so much, and I don't even have AirPods, and I'd honestly really like them for Christmas because it will just make a lot of things that I do while listening to music much more convenient. I know there are probably a lot of you guys out there that would like these too. All you have to do to enter in this giveaway is be subscribed because this giveaway is for my subscribers, and to follow me on Instagram, and then comment down below on this video your Instagram handle. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays!
Bye.